Hey y'all, get on in this kitchen because I'm about to start my new series, and this is episode 1 of One Pot Meals, where I show you how to make tasty meals in just one pot. Here's spicy butternut pasta. Not only is this one pot meal absolutely delicious, it's 100% customizable, and it has everything you need in one place. You have your starch, you have your carb, you have your leafy green, and it is packed full of flavor. If you decide you want to go in with a protein like chicken or beef or sausage, you definitely can, but I think that keeping this on the vegetarian side is the best way to go. Now that everything is seasoned and seared, we're going to go in with our liquid of choice, and you could use water, but I think the best thing to really add flavor is veggie stock, and you're going to cook this down until the squash is tender enough to mash with the back of a wooden spoon. Now, I chose to leave a little bit of texture to mine because I thought that added something to the dish. However, if you like yours completely smooth, you can do that as well. Now it's time to go in with a bit of cheese, and I chose fresh grated Parmesan cheese, but you can do whatever you like. Now it's time for your green of choice. I went in with some blanched spinach that I blanched for like 30 seconds. However, if you wanted to do a heartier green like kale, you can do so. You would just need to do a full cook before you actually added it to your pot. Now you're gonna go in with a cup of pasta water from whatever pasta you choose. After it's done, I chose a whole wheat pasta. Add that in, give it a good mix, and you're gonna do one last check on your seasonings, add if need be, and then you're gonna top with your cheese. You can either do shredded mozzarella or any type of cheese that you like. Pop it in the oven until it comes together and the cheese gets nice and golden brown. Although you can add the spice while you're cooking the dish, I find letting people control their spice level is always a winner. So I let people top their dish with the Calabrian peppers if they chose to. Y'all try it this week and let me know what you think. Until next time, it's your girl, Lady B.